You know, there's another classic, but this is now we're going to take this back to Jamaica. Super, super classic dance. BASS ODYSSEY versus Firelinks in K Valley.
K Valley.
Yes.
That dance was right after, I think, World Clash 2002, I think so. I don't remember, something like that. Either 2002 or 2001. But, yeah, that dance was a classic in the sense that Links tried everything to you know, basically brute force and get the dance, but you know, him said we were not having it. You know what I mean? And he was getting such a beating that him tried to basically disturb the dance while we were playing him a lick shot and a talk on the mic while we are playing all them things. This is after we played around that demolish him, that Squingy tell him say we don't need no gun. If you talk too loud, machete, give him to machete chop and ray.
And he pulled out the rusty
yeah, the whole machete, everything. Yes. Yeah. So it's like the dance was one-sided in the sense that the people love Links, you know, but he just didn't have the tunes to match up to BASS ODYSSEY. So he was getting beaten left, right, and center. Because we said we just come out for World Clash, so you know we would have prepared massively for World Clash. So we had a barrage of tunes. Especially we had even Bounty Killer calling Links name and all them stuff. So all them thing that is like him was in problems from the get-go. And it reached a stage where, because Links is saying can't win now, he was trying to get the dance and mash up. So you could have said, boy, I threw the dance, mash up, make him no winner or whatever, or make him, you know. So it reached a stage where Squingy told him, he says, Links, if you go and talk, we're going to just put on the mic, and when you walk out, everybody will walk out and dance. And Links says, oh, you can't make that happen to me, whatever. And he continued, and Squingy said, promoter, if you know want your dance done, come tell Links if you stop the talking, or like have him sound while we are playing. The promoter never get reach over there, and Links and continue and say, oh, afraid, or whatever, you're talking. So anyway, Squingy reached a stage where he just said, people, I hate that here, good night, come. And headed for the thing there, and the crowd walked out behind Squingy. Now, me and Keith was still standing around BASS ODYSSEY. And Links, somebody threw a bottle after Links around the sound. And him sight the bottle, and it must have hit somebody who come with him behind him. But when it happened, Links made a talk and said, you want to get the guns them. You know? So I'm going to talk over the mic, you know. Him say, get the guns. And him run off, him move off around him son and put him hand in him waist and him shirt. Like him would have to intimidate him or something. So he tussled up with one of the maintenance crew. And it's like somehow the maintenance crew realized him now have nothing and started to reach. Then back off him waist for a long last. It Links, to be honest, I think Links is lucky that cutlass was so long. That it took so long to come out and realize that something was coming up. And him just let him go and ran out of the dance. And, you know, me and Links no deal from them time then. And, you know, I mean, it's him I really care feelings or whatever. I really don't care. But, But one of the things is that he was standing, when he ran out, we saw two people coming towards his sound with a 2x4 piece of wood, you know, right? Like him coming to mash up the console and everything. And me and Keith have to step over around his sound, you know, and stand up and say, yo, no can't do that, you know. Because if you don't do that, it don't look like a wee planet to mash up him sound. So, no matter with that, right? This all when all them things are going, the Links run gone like thief, you know. You don't even know. As a matter of fact, when him reach at the gates of the dance hall, there was a piece of board. Rain was falling all evening, and there was a piece of board at the bottom of the gate. So you like to go out or in to come in, you have to step over the board. And Links was running so fast that him not see the board. To see him buck him foot on the board, drop on him belly and skate in the wet mud. Yo, listen, man. You know, it's something that we can just laugh at now, you know. But it was a serious situation because even most of his crew had on their shirts had on shirts that say Firelinks. And from the incident that made everybody back off shirts. You understand? Because like nobody wanted to be identified as being with Firelinks. Because even when I was walking out of the dance and I saw his brother, and it's like me walk down to him brother and like basically tap him on his shoulder and say, yo, you have to tell Links to behave himself. You know? And the man say, man, nobody knows me come in. I want you, man. You can't do that. Because I'm afraid again. You know? But you know what I mean? It's just one of them things that at the end of the day, him sound never get mashed up. Because if we did have a bad intention, he wouldn't have no sound. The sound did mash up. We gotta tell him to do what I want to do. And them would do as them like. You know what I mean? I think in anger and vexation, I think some people must stab up all the truck tire. I mean, remember I said truck tire no easy something to stab up. And the man them stab up almost everyone I truck tire too, and I get to understand and all that thing. So it's like, you know, it's sad that it happened that way there, but in the same time a link starts it. And I'm almost sure I hear him talk some interview about it, and him basically a joke about it, and because him knows that him did cause it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Yeah, man, him knows that him did cause it. So
for sure. Crazy there.
That's one of them thing there.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusica.com.